Hello everyone, I'm Ken Moraif and I'm the CEO and founder of Retirement Planners of America. This is our weekly market alert video, and you may be wondering where I am right now. I'm actually on the QE2, right? This is the ocean liner that goes across the Atlantic, and if you look at all this artwork, it's just phenomenal. And there's actually a reason why I'm on this ship. And that is that my wife and I had planned a trip over to Europe, and we looked into airfares. They were so expensive that my wife said, you know, we could go across the Atlantic on the QE2 for a third of the price. Now, it is 6 days, but it's 6 days of not bad living. And so I want to show you here this is the grand lobby, as they call it. This bell right here is the one that they rang to inaugurate the ship's launching. But check out this ceiling up here, and check out the grand lobby, as they call it. Very nice. So what does this all have to do with our market alert video? Well, I'm going to take you outside and I'm going to show you what the ocean looks like. And I thought that would be a good metaphor for what we think the market's going to do. So I'll tell you something else interesting, and that is that yesterday we actually sailed directly above where the Titanic sank. We were directly above it. And so I just wanted to be sure that we did not hit any icebergs. So I stayed up all night looking for icebergs so I could tell the captain. I've learned you can't rely on others for things that are like life-threatening. You make sure that you're watching those yourself. But more to the point of our video, what do we think the market is going to look like for the rest of this year? And I thought that what you're about to see next would illustrate it very well. So we're going to go out through this door right here, which is the door that takes you out to the balcony. But you may notice this sign. And what does it say here? No entry, deck closed. But we hope, and so why did they do that? Well, because it's a little windy out there, as you can see, and it's a little wavy, and so it's kind of dangerous for the passengers to be walking outside on the balcony area. But it's still a relatively smooth ride, just a little wavy, windy, a little dangerous, but not too bad, I might say. Which is basically what we think the market's going to do this year. It's going to be wavy. It's going to be a little rough at times. We may even get a no entry. We might see the market drop and they block you from going outside. So we could see all that kind of stuff. But basically, the jobs numbers have been okay. Profits have been okay. Inflation, not where we want it to be, but not bad either. And so next week's going to be a very big week. We're going to get the inflation numbers in, and certainly that'll drive the market. But we think overall things are not bad, and it looks good. We're going to reach our destination. But as with any cruise ship, especially the Titanic, right? Those lifeboats are very important. And so at any time, you know, hopefully this won't happen anytime soon, but the ship could sink and the markets can sink too. That's why we believe it is so important to have a lifeboat for your investments, a sell strategy. We call it Invest and Protect. It's the one that told us to sell in November of 2007 before the stock market crash of 2008. You know, we want to protect our clients from big losses. We want to provide them with a lifeboat that hopefully will keep them from sinking to the bottom of the ocean. And we'd like to show you how that works for you. So if you want to visit with us, we'll do it with you at no charge or obligation. We'll build a plan, and we'll part friends if you decide you don't want to work with us. So looks good going forward. Little windy, kind of dangerous out there right now with the market at near all-time highs. But if you have Lifeboat and you're inside nice and warm, we think you're going to be okay. All right, so thanks for watching this video. Share it with your friends and your family. We want to help as many people become what we call squippers. And if you don't know what a squipper is the acronym for second childhood without parental supervision. Right? We want you to go play and have fun and enjoy and not worry about all this boring financial stuff. Let us do it for you. So again, share this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk soon.